What do you think about today? How long did it take? How long were we on the boat?
30 seconds.
Well, we are almost to slam right now in the last 30 seconds, right? Nice snook. Nice red.
Is it a snook or a red?
This is a red. Oh, look at that one. Hammering.
Holy mackerel.
Yep, keep your tip up. Are you happy?
Oh, this is great, man.
To the right.
I'm afraid I'm going to snap
It's
this.
big. It's probably over 28.
Should I go to the left now?
Nope. Keep it right there. Look at these fish. Oh my gosh, you guys are psyched. I told you.
Holy mackerel.
Yep, we've been waiting on this spot for a while.
Look at that!
Don't.
Okay.
Keep it bent. Come on over here to your left. Reel. Keep it tight. Good. Perfect. Ooh, nice fish. You said you wanted to eat something? Hold on.
There you go. Sarah's first.
Probably top slot could be over.
We just pulled up on this spot.
Oh my god, that thing's got shoulders. This is probably 30. Oh my god, that thing is huge.
That's a nice fish.
This thing's huge. Oh my god.
It's
It's enormous. Oh my god.
Yeah, give me a
He's hold on, I got it. Just stop pulling a little bit. There you go. Yep. That's a good start. That's for sure. All right. Ooh, good hook set too. Hold this just like this. Yep. Watch your fingers. Yep.
Nice fish.
Oh, cool.
Nice fish.
2 casts.
Yep, 2 casts, 2 fish. That was quick.
Boom.
One snook, 1 red.
Let's
Let
go
me get.
measure. Come
Let
with
me.
me.
Yeah,
Keep it,
I want to
keep
get
it
it.
the way it was. You're vertical now. There you go. Almost 30.
Nice fish.
Get a picture of you.
Yeah, I want to get a still picture.
Like this. So how, can I hold this thing? How do I hold it?
Put your finger right where mine is.
Yep.
You see where mine is? And right there. There you go. And I'll
change to photo mode here.
nice job.